Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Windows backup not working, failed or did not complete it successfully, so how to fix it. So first you need to in search bar type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Now type here sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be completed. If this processor will be completed, so type second command. This chk dsk now space slash r. You type this command line and press enter. So after this whole process will be completed, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.